Presenting the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 235/55 R18AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, SiriusXM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, driver convenience group included, remote start system, blind spot and cross path detection, universal garage door opener, power multifunction fold-away mirrors, front fog lamps, park sense rear park assist system, high-intensity discharge headlamps, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, quick order package 21A SXT, rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6